It's the beginning of a new year, and many of us want to start the year off right. So here are 10 positive affirmations in Jamaican Patois that can help you to get in the right mindset.
Come let me teach you Patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. Now let's begin. 10 positive affirmations in Jamaican Patois. Things already better. Things already better. Impossible, that are not nothing to me. Impossible, that are not nothing to me. After them can't stop this. After them can't stop this. Blessings are run me down. Blessings are run me down. After them no more than me. After them no more than me. Today I got shot. Think up, you see it. Today I got shot. Think up, you see it. Me winning right now. Me winning right now. Not no name can. Not no name can. God have my back. God have my back. Keep your eyes upon the prize. Keep your eyes upon the prize. Okay, now I'm going to explain what each of these mean in English, just in case you need some clarity. Things already better.
Things already better. Things already better. Things already better.
This means things are already okay. Things are going to be okay. Things are already working themselves out. Things already better. Impossible, that are not nothing to me.
Impossible, that are nothing to me. Can be anything you want, you will go for your dreams.
This means nothing is impossible for me. I can do all things. After them can't stop this.
Can't stop it.
This means things will work out. After them can't stop this. Them meaning whatever obstacle you think you have, whether it be people or situation, and then can't stop this being whatever you want to accomplish. So after them can't stop this means nobody or nothing can stand in my way, stand in the way of me achieving my goals. Blessings are run me down.
Blessing around me down. And me look east, west, north and south and it a come at me. Blessing around me down.
Blessings around me down means I am blessed. Blessings are chasing me. Next. After them no more than me. After them no more than me means them, once again, could be people or situations. And this means after them no more than me. This means I am enough. They are not better than I am. If they can do it, I can do it too. That kind of idea. After them no more than me. They're not more talented. They're not more... if they can do it, I can do it too, kind of idea. Next, today I got shot. Thing up, you see it? Today I got shot. The thing up, you see it? This kind of just means it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day today. Today I got shot. The thing up, you see it? Next, me winning right now means I'm winning. I'm doing my best at life. It's my time. No.
I'm on the sun. Oh, we're winning right now, you.
And not name can means I can do everything. This comes from can means cannot or can't. So you have some people who will say, me can't do this, me can't do that kind of thing. So the counteraction that a lot of people have is to say that not no name can. That means you can do it. So if you can tell that to yourself, not no name can, it's like you're saying, all things are possible, I can do all things. Next, God have my back.
You know everything intact on the clock. We not fear them attack. God have me
Back means God is with me all the time. God is protecting me. And have my back, when somebody have your back, you know they're always there for you. So it's kind of that idea. God is always there for me. God is always protecting me. Next, keep your eyes on the prize.
Keep your eyes on the thing, man, if that you want.
Keep your eyes on the prize. This means stay focused. Focus on what needs your attention and try not to be distracted or sidetracked. Don't be sidetracked or distracted easily. So keep your eyes on the prize. Keep your eyes on your goal. Okay, there you have it. 10 daily affirmations in Jamaican Patois that you can say to yourself when you are feeling down, anxious, fearful, and not feeling too confident about yourself. Now, here is a quick recap. Things already better. Impossible, that are not nothing to me. After them can't stop this. Blessings around me down. After them no more than me. Today I got shot, thing up, you see it? Me winning right now. Not no name can. God have me back. Keep your eyes on the prize. Now, what are some more daily affirmations that you would add to this list? Let me know in the comment section below. That takes us to the end of this video. I hope you found it uplifting and I hope you have an amazing year. Life has its challenges, but I hope that whatever you are going through, you will be able to stay positive. And while you are trying to be positive, please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.